guys, today we're doing another fidget vending machine. Woo woo! And okay, so first, I'm probably gonna just get one of the mysteries. Let's press on mystery. Oh, guys, I see a woman behind there. Okay, so I just pretend like we don't know that she's there. Okay, so then let's put in my money right there. Go, and if you're new to this series, then go back to number 1 and 2. Okay, I already pressed it. Let's see what I got. And you'll see why I'm so surprised why there's a lot back there. Okay, let's grab my stuff. Okay, what I got was some spray on hand sanitizer and this really cool looking lip balm. It's honey. It's not honey lip balm, it's a beeswax lip balm. Okay, next I want to get, I think I'm going to try getting actually, let's go out on 2 mysteries. Okay, so, guys, I already put my change in, now let's twist it. Oh, I got some stuff. Let's see what I got. Okay, first, I got this squishy and this little fidget palette. Okay. Next, I think I'm, oh yeah, right. I just want all mystery. Okay. I'm gonna get 1 mystery. Okay. Okay, guys, let's turn it. Oh, something fell. Ugh. Well, not finding it. Did I get scammed? I think I got scammed. Woman, there's a woman over here. Hey, you just scammed me. Oh, what happened? Well, I didn't get my thing. Oh, we're so sorry about that. It landed in our money slot. Oh, wow. Surprising. Thank you. Okay, guys, this is what I get. I love these. I also like doing this with them. Ooh. Oh, no work. Okay. Okay. What? Okay, mystery again. Like normal. Okay. 25 cents. Okay. Okay, I got something. Ooh. Oh, it's a spinner. I like that. Ooh. Okay. Well, you guys know what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep getting random ones. And this is part 3. And I've been doing this in 1 night. It's been hard. Okay. Let's see what I get. Okay. I got... I can't feel anything. Oh, I got a little paper thing. Oh, it's a squishy. I like it. Okay, what do you guys think I'm going to get next? I think I'm going to get maybe another squishy. I think I'm going to get another squishy. I think that's what I'm going to get. Okay. So I need 25 25 cents. Whoa, what just happened? Oh, vending machine. That works out good. Okay, let's get my 25 cents in. Since that happened, I'm actually going to pay 2 extra quarters because it gave me 2 free fidgets. And I feel kind of bad. Okay guys, they said I can get this last thing. And then we have to do some stuff. Oh. Hey ma'am, stop sleeping. Okay guys. So yeah, I got my thing back. Okay, they have to do some they have to do some different something. They just got done fixing the machine, and there's a slot now. What's in it? Hey, wait, why do I have change in there? Oh, I think it's because I gave them some money. No, that's not fair. I gave it to them as a tip or something. Fine, then I'll just buy 2 fidgets with these. I'll get 2 mystery, please. They also changed it where you just say it out loud and that's what you'll get. Let's turn it this up. Up, one sec. It has a jam. Okay, there we go. Okay, almost twisted it all the way. Ooh. It's always hard with the twisters. Oh. I think I broke it. Okay, yeah, let's pause the video. I felt bad for breaking the machine, so I fixed it myself. Okay. Okay, let's see what I got. Oh, first I got this. Oh, I like that. And where's my other thing? Hey, I thought I'm supposed to have another thing. I can't find anything else. That is weird. Aw. Maybe it's still up there. Okay. I guess it's not. I broke it again. I'm terrible. Okay, I can't find anything else, but, well, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a like and subscribe, and I might make a part 4 even. Bye.